Learning English through pictures is a powerful and engaging method to boost understanding and memory. In this video, we explore how pictures can enhance your language learning journey by bringing words to life. A bright and sunny day at the beach. A young boy is sitting on the sand near the water's edge, deeply focused on building an elaborate sandcastle. His sandcastle has multiple tall towers and walls, decorated with small blue flags at the top. The boy is using a small blue bucket and shovel to carefully add details to his creation. Next to him, various beach toys, like a colorful beach ball, another bucket, and a small shovel, are scattered around the sand. In the shallow waters of the sea, children are playing and splashing around. Two kids are laughing as they run towards the shore, their feet kicking up water as small waves roll onto the beach. A seagull floats on the water close by, adding to the calmness of the ocean setting. Further back, more people can be seen swimming and relaxing in the water, some floating on their backs and enjoying the warmth of the sun. Under a large, colorful beach umbrella, a man is sitting in a reclining chair with a hat on, shading his face from the sun. He seems to be resting and enjoying the day as he watches over the activity on the beach. Around him, several other families are sitting on towels or beach chairs, relaxing and enjoying the weather. In the background, the beach stretches further, lined with more colorful umbrellas and beachgoers. A few houses or small buildings can be seen in the distance, adding to the picturesque view of this peaceful seaside location. Seagulls soar across the clear blue sky, and the gentle waves of the ocean roll onto the sandy shore, creating a relaxing atmosphere for everyone at the beach. Vocabulary: words with meanings. Sandcastle. A structure made of sand, often resembling a small castle, usually built by children on the beach. Shovel. A small tool with a handle used for digging and moving sand or dirt. Bucket. A container used to carry sand or water at the beach. Umbrella. A large, often colorful covering used for shade at the beach. Seagulls. A type of bird commonly found near the sea, known for flying around beaches. Shore. The area where the water meets the land, especially at a beach. Grammar focus. Present. Continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to describe actions that are happening right now or around the current moment. Structure. Subject plus am is are plus verb plus ing. Example: the boy is building a sandcastle. Describe what is happening in the picture using present continuous tense. The boy is making a sandcastle. The children are swimming in the sea. The seagulls are flying in the sky. Thank you for joining us in exploring how pictures can make learning English fun and effective. By focusing on the present continuous tense, you've seen how visuals can help bring grammar to life. Keep practicing with pictures and watch your English skills improve. See you in the next lesson.